How to fix Microsoft Store stuck on loading screen. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Restart your computer. Restart your modem/router. Check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, try connecting to another internet connection. Test your internet connection using the alternate connection. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Choose PowerShell, Admin, to open PowerShell with administrative privileges. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type in gpa.cpl and press Enter. In the Network Connections window, right-click on the active Internet connection. Select Properties from the right-click menu. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click on the Properties button.